Welcome to video number 4 in this series on the restoration of my 1941 Gibson ES300. In this video, I've pretty much finished the first stage of the restoration, which is getting it up to playing condition so I can fully assess it. The biggest progress this week has been the fitting of a pickup. As already mentioned in the previous videos, I've ordered a custom-made pickup for this particular guitar from a local pickup maker. But for now, I've experimented with fitting a cheap Chinese P90. I've fabricated a mounting plate and fitted it using the existing mounting holes for the original pickup. Now, at some stage in this guitar's life, I believe someone had fitted a P90, which is similar to the original P13 pickup this guitar would have left the factory with. I'll keep looking out for more appropriate mounting bolts, and I obviously need to make an appropriate cover. But for the purposes of this stage of the restoration, this is perfectly adequate. I've fitted a couple of pots with chicken head knobs. I believe Barney Kessel preferred chicken head knobs on his ES350, so I'll go with that until I can find some more period correct knobs. For now, I haven't soldered anything as I'm waiting for the custom pickup, which will be an 8-week turnaround. So for testing purposes, I've just wired the pickup to the output jack with a simple electrical connector, which you can see sneaking its head through the little F-hole there. Now I've also fabricated a pickguard. I found an accurate photo online of a similar ES300's pickguard, and I blew it up until it was life-sized, printed it out, and used that as a template. Now I've noticed a few different binding styles on ES300 pickguards from pictures I found online. Some have single binding, some have triple ply, and some seem to have the beveled 3-ply guards like late ES175s. It's not clear to me if any or all of these were original, so for now I'm going with single cream binding. Now with some careful tweaking of the tailpiece and bridge, I've been able to get the string spacing correct. If you've seen the earlier videos, you'll notice that the strings were tending towards the treble side of the fretboard, and I was worried that a previous neck reset might have been misaligned. No such worries, it's all good. So now that I've got the guitar to this stage, it was time for a proper set of new strings so I can really assess the guitar. I've fitted my favourite strings for vintage archtops, which are these D'Addario half rounds, 11 to 49s. Now I guess you're all now wondering what it sounds like. Well, I'll play it for you. I'll play some similar tunes to the ones on the previous videos, and I'll also play a couple of extra little tunes, which I think suit this guitar well. that's how it sounds at the moment. A little honky with that particular P90. I can't imagine using it for any of my upcoming gigs in the immediate future, but I will take the guitar to jam sessions and rehearsals, etc., to continue to evaluate the guitar while I wait for the custom pickup to arrive. By then, I'll have a good idea of how far I need to go to get this guitar into its best playing condition possible. Until then, thanks for watching, and if there are any updates, I'll be sure to post another video.